Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix OBS not capturing game. First of all, what you have to do is click the Windows icon or the Windows button on your keyboard and search for OBS Studio on your computer. Now right click on OBS Studio and click on Open File Location. Again right click on OBS Studio and again click on Open File Location. Again right click on your OBS exe file and click on Show More Options. From here you have to click on Properties. Now from here you have to go to the Compatibility tab. From here, now you have to make sure to check the box called Run this program as an administrator. Check this box and click on Apply. Click on OK. Now once you're done, you have to click on the Windows button and restart your PC. After that, once your computer has been restarted, you have to open the OBS Studio on your computer. Now once the OBS Studio has been opened, you have to open any game. For instance, I will open Roblox Studio. Now once Roblox Studio has been opened on my computer, now what I will do, as you can see there's Roblox Studio opened. I will hide my display capture. Now I will click on the plus button and I will click on game capture. Click on OK. Now in the mode section I will capture any full screen application or specific window. I will select specific window. I will select the window. From here I will search for, or I will select the Roblox Studio, and then I will click on OK. I will stretch the Roblox window, and after that I will right click and click on transform and then click on stretch to screen, and that's how you can fix OBS not capturing game. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.